Good morning, guys. We are going to look at our Monday SPOwer review for quarter 3, week 5. The first question for today is how many tens are there in 700? So if we go to our tens place, we have our ones, tens, hundreds. In our tens place, we have 0 tens. All right, 805 in expanded form. We have 800. We have no tens, so we don't have to put anything for that. And then we have 5. So that's all we would put, the 800 plus 5. Comparing the numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to. So remember, we start with our hundreds. Our hundreds are the same. Our tens are the same. And our ones are the same, which means this is equal to. 12 plus 7 is 19. 15 minus 7 is 8. 11 plus 4 is 15. 14 minus 8 is 6. 13 plus 7 is 20. And 17 minus 8 is 9. Now make sure you are spending time even outside of SPOwer Review practicing your basic addition and subtraction facts as much as you possibly can. The faster you learn, the faster you can solve these, the easier even multiplication and division will be later on in 3rd and 4th grade, because knowing your addition and subtraction facts will help you with multiplication and division. All right, use a strategy to find the sum of 42 plus 29. So we are just going to do our basic addition with regrouping. And I'm going to write our answer over here. 2 plus 9 is 11. Remember, we don't write 11 though. We write our 1. So we put our 1 right here. Carry the 1 for the tens place. And it would be 1 plus 4 plus 2, which is 7. So the sum of 42 and 29 is 71. And you could use any addition strategy with regrouping that you would like. All right, Katie's, our word problem. Katie's first batch of cookies made 23 chocolate chip cookies and 18 oatmeal cookies. She then made 25 sugar cookies. How many cookies did she make all together? All right, so she made 23 chocolate chip. So we're going to start with 23. So remember, if we see all together, this means that we're going to be adding. Plus, she made 18 oatmeal. So let's add these together. This is 41 plus 25 sugar cookies. So she has made 66 cookies all together. All right, looking at our time. Time you will spend more time on in 3rd grade. You're going to start figuring out the difference in times. Like if you started soccer practice at 3:30 and you left at 3:45, how long were you at soccer practice? So make sure that you're able to read your times, because you will need this again next year. So remember, the shorthand is our hour hand. It is on the 4. So if it is between the 4 and the 5, if it hasn't made it to the 5, but it's somewhere in this area, that means it is a 4. The minute hand is on the 6. Remember, we start at 12 and we move over when we say 5. So this is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That is what we do for the minute hand, so the long hand. So it is 4:30. If we are at soccer practice, that is PM. Afternoon is PM. Afternoon and night is PM, and morning is AM. How many centimeters is the key? Okay, we are going to start working on measurement today. So you'll look at some more measurement things for the next week or two. But if you look, this is centimeters. And if we come down, it measures about 6. And for centimeters, you would put cm. About how many inches is your new pencil? So think about the length of a pencil. All right, 3 inches is going to be really short. 15 inches is going to be really long. So a new pencil, so an old pencil might be 3 inches, but a new pencil is going to be about 8 inches.